Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit patpasngem. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Ka Presbyterian Church of India PCI mentagas ngi ka arpoi tarik uyayong arjar arpun rio kalapente pad ba shakilat pathai khubor shwagajing rakhe ka 46 biennial but centenary jubilee kabalabu banlong hakabalang Phutmuri Presbyterian Church kinongyalam kabalang Presbyterian Phutmuri lingbau Reverend BR Kharnayor Senior Administrative Secretary ringkat lang kinongyalam kabalang kalapente bagani ka seng ba jangka General Assembly kan long nadok arpa pratrik uyayong hado galai tari ku jembang harjar arpun riu. Kani ka jing kendo ka beni ka jing dap his pas nem jang ka balang balak milinti babon ki delegates bat ki dikot na kalengi jaka kinuan bandan bentalang. U Reverend Kharnayor ulabatairu ya ka jing koridor jang kani ka jing rakhe his pas nem bandru ki program per. Ulaong makani ka jeseng kam datang ban kan mau ka jing ya lenti jang ka balang henry kan longru kum ka por jing seng bat ka jing lang pad ba ha ka jing ngai. U Reverend Kharnayor ula pentep bahagas ngisa jan ke artarik bahagas ngiu blay ke lai trik ujemang kin pelong ke jeseng Hamadan JN Polo lakmi lentiru manakani ke jing rakhe ya ke 46 biennial General Assembly bat ke centenary jubilee celebration arjar arpun riu makan kring bon ki padma bat kan peni ke jing no senyang jong ke Presbyterian community ha ke jelame klaya.
At the very outset, I take the pleasure on behalf of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of India and the host church, the Phutmuri Presbyterian Church, to welcome you all. Hakani kapor ngiyawan kumne nakadiyang General Assembly jong Presbyterian dari India bat kumjo nakabalang Presbyterian Phutmuri kabade ka host church jong kini ka program ka bakerpang ka 46 biennial General Assembly but ka centenary jubilee celebration arjar arpun riau ka banlong na do ka arpo khandai tarik u April hado lai tarik ume arjar arpun riau. So it gives me immense joy to express words of gratitude to all the esteemed members of the Press Club and also the Presbyterian Church of India, the officials, the committee members, the invitees, well-wishers, and the delegates of the 46th Biennial General Assembly and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026 who have made arrangements to attend this auspicious event to be held at our church, the Phutmuri Presbyterian Church, Long, on the set date, 29 April to 3rd May 2026. And we believe that this week-long event is significant in itself, as it marks only not the biennial session of the General Assembly, but also commemorates the 100th year of its inception. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well, and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program. And we pray for the presence of God and His abundant blessings to nourish our spiritual thirst as we come together in active participation during the biennial and the centenary jubilee celebrations 2026. Ka program kan sedang nado ka arpo pratrik hakaba kidokot jong ka executive committee jong ka Presbyterian Church of India kin one ting sedang igajing seng akapor menmiet nyobeje ya ka banyalam daga balang ka host church te hakat arpo kandai April kindon ki committee ki prepare But hakajo kapor arpo kandai terik janmiet ki delegates na ki khatway tali ki sinot but kaway ka provisional sinot ngin one but ni community na ki arajar sanspa ngut ki delegates na ki khatar tali ki sinot kentup ka provisional sinot kini one man ya danungkat ha kini ka jing men jongi ha kini ka final meeting ka jongi but ni community ha ka laiterik kasni try ke Sunday ke jingeseng maro ha ka por siteng but sibiji siteng ngin long hantai ha GN complex ha ka jo ko por ngin bo ki giant screen na ka benta kito ki bamnyam show ha ka stadium te ngin penonton ro ya ka second ground but ka jo ko por ka parking lot pat ngin scam but ni community bagi riungai na ki bopon tilikisot ken wan se ken ke jingaseng ka bahe ka basa jingkan mau but we are expecting like lots of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the jubilee centenary jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us, especially on the 3rd May, Sunday, that in a few days' time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. I mean, we will try to elaborate more regarding the way where to reach. We have prepared in such a way. We are working together along with the traffic department, government Meghalaya, and we are working neck and neck and closely with the government regarding this occasion. Kalau ngajin kerpat ba kito ki bapen kre ela dewan wan kamtam kesni utrai pin snob ha ban pet ngin sa ai jing tip ling ba ka press hoi through social media kumno bangira man poi sya kani ki jingaseng hamadan pulo na ki lenti ki ba fair kita ki ba wan na ribhoi ki ba wan na West Kars Hills ki ba na Jante Hills bat ki ba na Keleng kumno bigina man poi sa madan pulo bat kumjo ro hakini ki jingaseng ki bangingen senang na do kami arfu pratrik hakabalang Presbyterian Formodi ka badai ka host church jong kini event ni kwaro pan pendapat ba ka artrik sini sejan ka port siteng kandon ki inaugural service ki jing rakhi jong ni ki jing dap sispas nam jong balang Presbyterian hari India kani kan long hamadan hai stadium te hakato kasni kandon ka jing pelat pat ba ka souvenir kandon ka hosting of the flag but kandon ki jing ai ki bakarpang yi kito ki belano senyang ya ka balang Presbyterian hari India tiki jingaseng made ru kan long hamadan hai stadium nado kasni sajan ni ko manitho nado si sajan kamadan hai stadium kande kejaka hakabangin belong yi je sengmet bat ke jing rakhe ya kani ka centenary jubilee celebration jong kabalang so all the centenary jubilee celebration will commence at 10:30 a.m. on the 2nd of May, that will be Saturday. And so even the night service that day also will be at the Madanhai Stadium, and also the Sunday night service will be at Madanhai Stadium. So we are expecting round about 130 special delegates to join along with the delegates of the Biennial. And also we are expecting not less than 250 choir members from all the synods standing choirs. They'll be presenting their numbers during the biennial and also during the centenary celebration. Our skill play can know Hajian complex. Yeah, we made a request to the government and in the initiative of the Chief Minister and the government as a whole, we are able to have that opportunity to have services in the GN complex in the stadium. Yes. Ngidon kakway tali ki sinod, kaway ka provisional sinod, ngidon ka Mizoram sinod, ngidon ka Kachar Hill Tribe sinod, ka Manipur sinod, ngidon ka Biataram sinod, ngidon ka Ribohoy Presbyterian Church sinod, ngidon ka KJP sinod Mingi, KJP sinod Sakni, ngidon ka Tripura sinod, ngidon ka Zhou Presbyterian Church sinod, ngidon ka Karbi Anglong Presbyterian Church sinod, but ngidon ro ka Tangpai Provisional Church sinod. Sinod pa rin. Sinod pa rin. Kakway tili sinod, kaway ka provisional sinod. Ya kabangi humility, bayan kani ka provisional sinod ro, kanyo ya ka status as full-fledged sinod hakan ka jingalang lo ta.
Jadi itu balik ke Putmuri Krian ini.
Ka Putmuri kung ko host church kadi ka way ni ki barang jong ka Khasi Jain Presbyterian Synod Sakni. Tika Presbyterian Church of India kala jet ya ka KJP Synod Sakni Banlong ka host synod. Tika Synod Sakni katerwai kini kejingeseng sa Putmuri Presbyterian Church ba kandika host church on behalf of the synod for this event.